Woohoo! I want to talk about 5 reasons I am grateful for this team. It's the holidays, and I was recently out at the Canadian Association of Professional Speakers convention in Quebec City, and great chance to chat with colleagues about how the year has gone. And every single time people said, "How's business?" I would say, "I have a fantastic team." We're growing, and the reason we're growing is because we have a fantastic team. You can only go so far in life on your own, and I always knew if you hire really smart, awesome people, the momentum and the impact that you can make can be so much greater. So, in this video, I want to talk a little bit about why I am so freaking grateful for our team. And there's 5 reasons. The first one here is because they are very sincere. And the sincerity our team provides is like no other. Hugely grateful for the heart they bring into their work every day and the clients we serve for really complicated health things and mental health related things. Number two, the reason I'm grateful for this team is they're super smart. I already talked a little bit about that. When you hire really smart people, good things happen because they are like a puzzle. They're able to really kind of go into the weeds and try and figure out answers to some of the complexities impacting our clients to help them move forward and get the results that they need. Number three, they're super strong. The team members we have at HealthStand are like no other. They're resilient, they're impactful. They carry the weight of heavy duty things going on in life for many of our clients in that counseling role. And therefore, when I thought about what characteristics are we talking about, the word strong came to mind. Number four, I couldn't go through this video without talking about soulfulness. We always talk about soulful eating and a soulful life at HealthStand. And our team, of course, impacts soulful eating every single day. They are soulful individuals, really trying to move people to that healthy and joyous relationship with food. And number five, my absolute favorite word here is scintillating. Isn't this a great word? The word scintillating means brilliantly and excitedly clever or skillful. To emit quick flashes as if throwing off sparkles. So when I think about our team and what I'm so grateful for this past year and in the 20 plus years we've been in business, when you hire people that sparkle and dazzle, it serves our clients so well. So thank you, team. This video is for you. I wanted to broadcast this out so everyone knew how I felt about you, making me a little bit teary here. Thank you for all that you do to sparkle